Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 17, question number 13. And this is lesson number 20, SW number 16. Dear the students, today we will solve one CQ from chapter 17. Here the question is given. You are watching a figure of graph, and in the question it is written that in the above figure, what is the midpoint value of the first class and what is the frequency of the last class? Dear students, at first you have to find out what is the midpoint value of the first class. Here class interval of first class is 30 to 40, and the lower value of the first class is 30, higher value of the first class is 40. So its mid value will be 30 plus 40 divided by 2. Mid value of the first class is 30 plus 40 divided by 2, and it will be 35. Now another part, what is the frequency of the last class? What is the frequency of the last class? Here class interval of the last class is 70 to 80, and its frequency you have to find out. Along x-axis it is lying up to 2.2, so that its frequency will be 2. Frequency of last class is 2. Dear the students, you have solved one number. Now we'll solve two number. Two number question is expressed by data of information demonstrated in the above figure. Dear students, here the data is given in the form of graphical representation, and we have to convert this graphical representation into tabular method, so that answer of two number. Here I have written the frequency distribution table of the given graphical representation is as follows. Here two column will come. One column is class interval and another one is frequency. First class is 30 to 40. From figure we are watching that first class is 30 to 40, and second class 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, and the last class 70 to 80. Now we'll write the frequency of each class. Here frequency of first class is 3. Now frequency of second class 40 to 50. Second class are lying up to 0.6, so its frequency will be 6, and third class frequency is up to 11, so its frequency will be 11. Then 60 to 70, it's up to 8, so its frequency will be 8, and last class its frequency is 2. Dear the students, we have finished the solution of two number. Now three number. Question is find the median of frequency obtained from the figure. We have to find out the median of the given data. In two number, we have converted this graphical representation into tabular form. Now from tabular form we have to find out the frequency. At first we'll fill up the class interval. It will be same as two number. First class 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, and last class is 70 to 80. Dear the students, frequency also will be same as this table. First class frequency 3, then 6, then 11, then 8, and then last one is 2. Now we have to fill up another column. This name is cumulative frequency. First class frequency and cumulative frequency will be same. Second class cumulative frequency, we have to add this 6 with 3, then 6 plus 3, this is equal to 9. Now 9 plus 11, this is equal to 20, and 20 plus 8, this is equal to 28, and last class cumulative frequency will be 28 plus 2, it's 30. Dear the students, now we have to find out the median. Here total number of frequency n equal to 30. So n by 2 equal to 30 by 2, that means 15. So 15th term is the median. Therefore median is the value of 15th term. Now the question is, in which class 15th term is lying? Here up to 3 term is lying in the class interval 30 to 40. Then 4th to 9th term is lying in the class interval 40 to 50, and then 10 to 20 terms. 10 to 20 terms are lying in the class interval 50 to 60. That means 15th term is lying in the class interval 50 to 60. So that our median class will be 50 to 60. We have identified that our median class is 50 to 60. Now using this formula, easily we can find out median. Here the formula is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Fc into H divided by Fm. Now what is L? L is the lower value of the class interval. Median class is 50 to 60 and its lower class is 50. So value of L will be 50. Plus n by 2 we have already found it. Its value is 15. N by 2 is 15. Now minus Fc. What is Fc? Fc is the cumulative frequency of the previous class of median class. Here it is median class and its previous class is this class, and its cumulative frequency is 9. So value of Fc will be 9 minus H divided by Fm. Here H is class interval 30 to 40, so that its class interval is 10. 10 divided by Fm. What is Fm? Fm is the frequency of median class. Here 50 to 60, this is median class and its frequency is 11. So value of Fm is 11. Now after simplification we can get the value of median. 50 plus, here 15 minus 9, this is equal to 6, and 6 multiplication 10. 6 multiplication 10, this is equal to 60. 60 divided by 11. This is equal to 50 plus, it's 50. 50 plus, if we divide 60 by 11, then its value will be 5.45. 5.45, and after adding we will get 55.45, and this is our answer. Dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's class. Now I am giving you today's SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 16 number SW, and topic exercise 17 question number 13. That means our today's CW is your SW also. So do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.